Russia sends Supercam S350 long-range recon drone to Vietnam. Russia's Supercam S350 drone is set to make a splash at the Vietnam Defense Expo 2024 in Hanoi, showcasing its cutting-edge capabilities to international defense and tech experts. This next-gen reconnaissance drone is being touted as a game-changer for both military operations and civilian applications. For Vietnam and its Southeast Asian neighbors, the Supercam S350 is a versatile asset that promises to enhance border security, monitor maritime zones, and assist in high-stakes public safety missions, including firefighting and infrastructure surveillance. Its ability to monitor offshore oil platforms and conduct vital oil and gas exploration surveys in challenging marine environments is also a key selling point. Built to handle the harshest conditions, the Supercam S350 can operate in extreme heat, up to 45 degrees Celsius, and high humidity, without the need for specialized runways or additional infrastructure. This makes it a true workhorse for operations in diverse and remote locations. With its secure communication systems and impressive maneuverability, the Supercam S350 has already proven its worth in the most demanding military environments. Having been tested in Russia's northern military district, this drone has endured some of the toughest operational challenges, including electronic warfare. The development of the Supercam S350 doesn't stop here. It continues to evolve, gaining new capabilities with each iteration. Today, it provides invaluable support to reconnaissance units, infantry, and artillery, helping to adjust fire on targets and offering real-time intelligence in combat zones. With these enhancements, the Supercam S350 is set to play a pivotal role in future military operations. The Supercam S350 is an advanced Russian reconnaissance drone designed for both military and civilian applications, offering a unique blend of versatility, endurance, and cutting-edge technology. This unmanned aerial vehicle, UAV, is built to perform in harsh environments and is capable of conducting a wide range of missions, from border security and maritime patrol to more specialized tasks such as surveillance of oil and gas infrastructure. One of the defining features of the Supercam S350 is its ability to operate under extreme conditions. It is engineered to withstand high humidity and temperatures of up to 45 degrees Celsius, making it suitable for deployment in regions with challenging climates. This robustness is crucial for its use in remote areas where traditional infrastructure is not available, as the drone does not require specialized runways or ground facilities to operate. It can take off and land in diverse environments, providing unmatched flexibility in mission planning. With an operational range of up to 240 kilometers, the Supercam S350 offers substantial coverage, allowing it to support a wide array of tactical operations and missions over extended distances. The drone is equipped with a range of advanced sensors and payloads designed to support both surveillance and tactical operations. These include high-resolution electro-optical and infrared cameras, which provide real-time video feeds for reconnaissance, target identification, and mapping. The cameras are capable of capturing detailed images even in low-visibility conditions, which makes the drone especially valuable in intelligence-gathering operations. The Supercam S350 is also fitted with synthetic aperture radar, SAR, allowing it to conduct all-weather surveillance, even in adverse weather conditions or at night. This radar system provides enhanced imaging capabilities, ensuring that the drone can track targets with precision over long distances. In addition to its surveillance capabilities, the Supercam S350 is equipped with advanced communication and navigation systems, ensuring secure data transmission and reliable control during missions. The drone features encrypted communication channels that are resistant to electronic warfare, offering protection against jamming or interception. These secure systems allow operators to maintain full control over the drone, even in contested environments where electronic countermeasures might be deployed. The Supercam S350 is also equipped with a variety of payloads designed for specific mission requirements. It can carry payloads for electronic warfare, EW, radio frequency, RF, detection, and other specialized tasks. These systems provide enhanced situational awareness and allow the drone to support military units in the field, including artillery and infantry. The drone's role in artillery correction is particularly valuable, as it can relay target coordinates and assist in adjusting fire, which increases the accuracy of strikes and minimizes collateral damage. The drone's design includes a highly maneuverable airframe, making it ideal for reconnaissance in both open and constrained environments. Its low radar cross-section ensures a degree of stealth, allowing it to operate undetected in sensitive areas. With continuous development, the Supercam S350 is expected to undergo further upgrades, increasing its capabilities and operational range. These improvements include better payload capacity, longer endurance, and enhanced systems for electronic warfare and data processing. The drone is expected to be an invaluable tool for future military operations, providing real-time intelligence, supporting fire correction, and contributing to a wide range of reconnaissance and surveillance missions. Kazakhstan, Uzbekistan, and Belarus have just made a significant move in the world of military technology, purchasing the Russian-made Supercam S350 drones directly from Moscow's Ministry of Defense. These deals, struck just over a month ago, signal a growing demand for advanced reconnaissance drones among Russia's close allies in the post-Soviet space. The Unmanned Systems Group, the manufacturer behind the Supercam drones, proudly announced that production has skyrocketed in recent years, with output increasing by a staggering tenfold. This surge in production isn't just for Russian military needs. These drones are now being delivered to CSTO member nations as well, solidifying their place in Russia's broader defense strategy. In a surprising development, Pakistan has also entered the market for Russian drones. As reported in August, Pakistan has been quietly using the Supercam S350 drones to keep a close eye on its tense border with India. This move marks a significant step in Pakistan's military modernization efforts, with Russian drones now playing a central role in border surveillance in one of the world's most volatile regions. In conclusion, the Supercam S350 represents a significant leap forward in unmanned aerial reconnaissance technology, offering advanced capabilities in a durable and flexible platform. Its continued development ensures that it will remain at the forefront of UAV technology, serving both defensive and offensive purposes in a variety of operational environments. Thanks for watching.